If you love chocolate, you're going to like the recipe we're making today. It's a really quick and easy recipe for mini cakes. In a large bowl, we're going to put 1 cup of sugar and 1 stick of unsalted butter, melted and cooled. Into that, we're also going to put a ½ teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. Okay, I'm just going to use a fork to mix these together. Some vanilla. That smells really good. And 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Then the star ingredient, grated zucchini. No mixer necessary. It's really easy. Now the dry ingredients. 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa. I'm gonna sift the cocoa. It seemed kind of clumpy. I'm gonna mix those together. Mix this in. Now it smells really chocolatey, but it's gonna get even more chocolatey because we're gonna add bittersweet chocolate. I'm going to approximate the 2 tablespoons the recipe calls for by using this handy little scoop. The last step. There's a walnut goes on top of each of these. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. Now the kitchen smells really chocolatey and it's time for a taste or 2.